Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beast over here. This thing is a folding cart that this brand sent to me for this video. But then I gotta say that this one, it is probably the biggest one that I ever tried. So you have the cover over here, so you can actually toss this one whenever you're ready. And then you will have this one, which is gonna be kind of like the bottom part. You can see how big this one already is. This one is gonna be a massive one. But then you can put this one over there. It's gonna be super easy. You have the Velcro straps over here, actually the clamp, which is gonna be right here. So you remove this Velcro strap, which you can use later as well. And then you're gonna see, check this out. You will have this, you will just push it just like this. Once you're done, you will have this full thing for you to check how big and how massive, and I'll show what is this in a few seconds. But then you're gonna put this one over here, which is gonna be the bottom part. By the way, this one also comes with a handle just to do this, and then you're gonna just fold it back and you're all set. But then if not, you just push this one's over here, you're all done. You put the bottom part, and this thing will support 560 pounds. So then once you're done, you will do this, boom, boom, boom. You have this handle, which with this kind of like T-section over here, it will support all that weight of both dragging and pushing, because you can see how big these wheels are. These are gonna be like super heavy duty wheels, as you can see. And of course, you can also play with, let me show you just this. It has a lock right here, a lock right there. So this thing, again, as you can see, with all that weight, it won't move. So you can actually use this one if you want. You can just do this with the strap in case that you want to use it just like that. Or you can just do this one and put it like this way, just here, and making sure that you kind of like fit it that way. But the other good thing I like about this one is that right here it comes with two, not one, bottle holders. By the way, let's remove this locks over here and the other one over here as well. And this one, it's all set, ready to go. But then you also have this right here, which is gonna be kind of like for the side. You can put this one this way. Just let me show you. You have two things you can do. You can use this one as a cover, so as a cover of the whole thing. So if you have like food or something like that, you're not gonna have like bugs getting inside or something, just if you like flies. Or you can use this one as a side pocket. You will have this kind of like side pockets over here, this mesh pockets over here. So you can use it as side pockets using this kind of like straps over here as well. So that's another good thing that you can do with this one. That you can see I'm sitting inside and no issues. This thing is not even bending, and I'm 180 pounds. I'm not 560 like this one, but you can see that this one is not even bending or something like that. So I gotta say, pretty resistant, pretty big. Also, you have the handle that will manage all that weight through, I mean, again, one more time, 560 pounds with the big wheels, with the lugs, and totally foldable. So you can just put it back in your car and then just enjoy going to the beach or camping, hiking, fishing with all the load that you can take. Cart, I sneeze, that's why I cut the video. Cart that this brand sent to me. This is super good. Such a beast of a cart.